Immersion Analytics. In this video, you'll see how to load columnar CSV data and create your first immersive visualization in minutes. Let's explore Kaggle.com. We'll pick this dataset outlining nutritional aspects of breakfast cereals. You may need to sign up for or log into Kaggle first. It's available for free. Next, extract archive.zip and place serial.csv on your desktop. Let's take a quick look at that dataset using a regular spreadsheet. The dataset contains approximately 80 cereal products as rows, with their nutritional characteristics as columns. So how would you traditionally plot data like that? You'd first choose which column to show on the x-axis, and on the y, and as size, and as color of the data points. That way, you'd only see 4 columns at once. Now with these 16 columns of data, there are 1,820 unique plots that you'd really want to see. And that gets geometrically harder with each column you add. The plots you've been using were first conceived of hundreds of years ago and weren't designed for understanding everyday datasets like this one. This is a key issue Immersion Analytics solves. First, upon launching Visualizer, you'll see the main menu. You can always get back here by pressing the M key on your keyboard. From here, select Data. Within the Data menu, select Local CSV File. You'll notice this also supports integration with Google Sheets if you prefer. From the local CSV screen, enter C:/users, and next navigate to your username and the desktop folder, and then select serial.csv. At the import settings screen, select scatterplot, alter any of the data types as you wish, then click load. Click add next to each variable of interest and select how you'd like it shown. We'll show protein content of the cereal on the x-axis, we'll show rating on the y-axis, we'll show sugars on the z-axis. The name of the cereal is labeled. We'll have the fat content as the width of each data point. We'll have the weight as the height of each data point. We'll layer in the type of cereal as shape. The manufacturers will be uniquely identified by different color categories. Calories will be shown by how intensely the data point shimmers. Sodium by how intensely it's glowing. Fiber content by opacity. More solid points have more fiber. Carbohydrates by bumpiness. Potassium by metallicity. Vitamins by pulse frequency. Shelf, which would be shelf life, by vibration strength. And the number of cups as satellites. You can always revisit the Assign Axes and Effects screen through the main menu Assign Axes. Make your dataset easier to see by pressing the greater than or the less than keys to scale the data points smaller or larger, depending on your dataset. Explore the dataset with your mouse or other pointing device. Change your viewing position with 3 degrees of freedom by holding the left mouse button and dragging. Alternatively, use 2 fingers on the trackpad or a mouse wheel to zoom in or out. You've just seen how to create your first immersive data visualizations from CSV in a few minutes. Immersion Analytics Visualizer supports creating point-in-time dimensional scatter plots and bar charts from simple columnar data, as you've seen, by importing data as CSV or from Google Sheets. You've also seen how this data visualization technology represents a major step forward in our ability to make sense of modern data. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we understand and analyze data, and I can't wait to see the discoveries and improved learning outcomes that it will enable. 2 next steps. First, check out the corresponding Getting Started with CSV Importer PDF below. That PDF will detail the steps you've just seen. It adds examples for weather, health sciences, and socioeconomic data, and it explains how you create narrated immersive data experiences. These are great for classroom lectures and as tools for students to prepare homework. Second, and for more advanced time series and graph visualizations, be sure to check out the next how-to video on the Immersion Analytics Express API for data science, and it also includes an associated PDF file with details. By using Visualizer from Python, you can even visualize AI and machine learning algorithms, stream real-time data feeds, and much more.